If you really want to make money online, work from home or turn an idea into a business, you can do it. In this video I will teach you post-production and retouching of photos. By using those skills, you can earn money online and support you and your family. Watch this video to the end. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it and press the bell button. Let's start the video. This video consists of 2 parts. Part 1. Learn post-production in Lightroom. And Part 2. How to earn money using this skill. Watch this video to the end. Let's start with Part 1. Import the pictures by simply drag and drop. Now select the picture you want to import and click on Import button. Here is the library where all the imported pictures can be shown. Select the picture and go the Develop mode for post-production. Basic panel will reveal a number of basic controls offered by Lightroom. These controls show you the most obvious benefits of shooting in RAW, such as white balance and exposure compensation adjustments. Lightroom was developed with a left-to-right, top-to-bottom editing workflow in mind. Then we have tone curve, color adjustment, noise reduction, lens correction. We will use them one by one. Let's start with the basic. First we need to adjust the exposure. As you can see, picture quite dark. Adjust the contrast. Now we need to expose the details hidden in the picture. Move the highlights to the left up to 90%, and move the shadows to right up to 90%, hidden details will be revealed. Now we are going to adjust whites and black. This unexpected Lightroom slider helps making perfect black and white conversions. You have to hold the Alt button and start moving until pixelation starts. We'll do the same with black. You can adjust automatically by double-click on it. Clarify images. The clarity slider is one of the most useful in Lightroom when it comes to giving your images extra punch and impact. Increasing mid-tone contrast brings out texture and detail, increasing the tactility and apparent sharpness of the image. That's what the clarity slider is designed to do. The dehaze slider in Lightroom is one of the most powerful and useful tools and produces contrast far beyond what we can do with curves and clarity sliders. It brings dynamic contrast to thin or washed out skies and reveals details that you cannot see with your own eyes. Vibrance is a smart tool which cleverly increases the intensity of the more muted colors and leaves the already well-saturated colors alone. Saturation is a uniform bumping up the intensity of all colors in your shot, regardless of the starting point of the colors. This can result in clipping and oversaturation of skin tones, leaving them looking too orange and unnatural. The tone curve in Lightroom is one of the less understood tools, but it's one of the more powerful ones to adjust the tone curve. You can move the sliders or directly drag the line of the curve itself up or down to get the desired effect by changing the shape of the curve. In the panel you can adjust hue, saturation, and luminance of any single color. Just select the color you want to adjust and move the slider. Here you can adjust the sharpness of the image. If there is a noise in the picture, you can remove the noise by adjusting the slider. Lens corrections allows fixing such lens problems as distortion, chromatic aberration, vignetting and perspective correction. The beauty of the lens corrections feature in Lightroom is that just like any other setting, lens corrections can be copied from one image to another, applied to hundreds of images at once. This is Transform panel. With upright feature in the Transform panel, you can easily correct those photos that have a distorted vertical or horizontal perspective. The upright feature provides 4 options of automatic perspective correction: auto, level, vertical, full, and a guided option. Now we will discuss these above features. First one is Crop and Straighten tool. To straighten a photo with an obvious horizon line, select the Angle tool in the Crop and Straighten panel and drag along part of the tilted horizon in the photo. When you release the mouse, the photo automatically rotates to make the horizon level. Second one is Spot Removal tool. It is very useful for cleaning up certain portions of an image and enhancing its overall look. Once you know how spot removal works, you will realize the endless options you have for fixing and retouching images. Next is Graduated Filter tool. The Graduated Filter tool in Lightroom allows you to make adjustment to a certain area of your image across an even gradient. Next is Radial Filter. Radial Filter is a circular adjustment tool that allows you to make local adjustments including exposure, clarity and saturation using an elliptical mask. This is the perfect tool for creating a vignette effect around and drawing attention to your subject or particular areas of your photo. Adjustment Brush Tool. The Adjustment Brush in Lightroom is a tool that allows you to make adjustment to only certain areas of an image by painting the adjustment on where you want it. You can see before and after impact of the photo. Part 2. How to earn money using this skill. There are so many marketplaces where you can sell your skills. Few of them are Fiverr.com, Upwork.com, Freelancer.com, PeoplePerHour.com, Guru.com, TopTal.com, Codeable.io, Outsourcely.com, Trulancer.com. Let's take a look at Fiverr. People have offered same services on Fiverr and earning good money.